Hi, I'm Katie. I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3-strand French braid today. So this classic 3-strand French braid is going to start at the top of the head. You're going to take a small section right through the crown, and then you're going to section that section into 3 little sections. So now I'm going to take the right section and go over the center section. And I'm going to take the left section and go over to the center section. So see, now that we have like the left, right in the middle, I'm going to go pull the right section over to the middle, and I'm going to anchor it with my middle finger. So now I'm completely free to use my right hand to gather hair to add to it. So it's imperative that you smooth and marry that section right there. So now that big section is part of the middle section. So now we're going to take the left section and pull it over to the middle, and there's my middle finger again. Now I'm free to grab some more hair and add it to that middle section. And I'm going to smooth. And there we are. Marry the two into one. I'm going to pull the right section over to the left. And add more hair to it. Smoothing away. There we are. So now we see that this flat braid is forming. Braiding definitely becomes second nature. You get the muscle memory going and a rhythm. Sometimes I have a little song that I sing to keep myself on track. I'm doing this a little looser just so you can see, and with bigger sections, just so you could really see where we've been. But you very well could keep it very, very tight, and that may be another video where I give you some tips and tricks on getting a really great tight braid. And then when you reach the bottom, you're just going to turn it into a 3-strand. So I went ahead and added these little hair piercings to this braid, and see how it just brought out the little bit of edge to it. Cannot wait to see what you try with this 3-strand French braid.